Liftoff in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this thing. Delay the liftoff. Delay it. Oh, no. No, this can't be happening. I spent 50 years in astronaut training, and for this, all that money, all that time. No! Oh no! The chair has consumed me. Wait, not the chair. The chair's just helping me. Oh no, the ground is. Look at me. My hat's going first. No. Wait, this is actually helping. I'm not moving at all. Just because... Oh no. I'm being dragged down to heck for the deeds I have not even done yet. Oh, okay. He has forgiven me. For an Orange Among Us character, an orange car makes complete sense on the racetrack. A captain goes down with his ship, and I am that captain, and the ship is my car. We will go down in history as the best captains ever. Goodbye. It's a white Christmas. Yay. From this beautiful Santa man. Oh no, the popcorn's on fire! Not to be burnt popcorn! I don't want popcorn now. Now that I'm making this recording right now, I kind of want popcorn. Yummy. Hello! Okay then, bye. Ow. The diamonds are hitting me. Ow!